Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. So I have a little 2-ounce cup here. I've taped the bottom. I've poked 3 holes in it. And I've taped it up so that when you pull that off, the paint releases. So let's put some paint in a cup, shall we? I've already laid down my base coat. This has been the house of interruptions, so I need to be efficient. I have here, these colors are opal inspired. They're all custom mixes, so I can't really tell you exactly which colors I used in all of them. Naughty, I know. But I did make sure that they were predominantly semi-transparent. All of the colors that I grabbed, I looked at my charts that I make and said, oh, maybe these colors will make the color that I'm looking for. And so we'll see. But definitely don't be afraid to mix your own colors. Beautiful things can happen. There is no silicone in the white. I'm a little off camera, but I'm drizzling some white in between. A little bit of the green there. Some blue. I'm going to do a little bit more white. Sorry if that's off camera again. Oh, Lordy. I have been spilling cups and just, it's been a day. We all have those days. Today has been that day for me. As you can tell by the gigantic mess. I'm just randomly putting these colors in. I'm not doing anything fancy, just using these colors up. I do like to add a little bit of whatever color my background is when I'm doing a flip and drag. I like having that little bit of negative space within the flip and drag. All right, let's see what happens. This is a very full cup and it's squishing over the side because it's so full. Oh dear. Normally I spray my flip cup with some blaster silicone. But I forgot because I'm having one of those days, as I had mentioned. All right, let's see what happens. Do a little feathering on the edges here. Alrighty. All right, here it is close up. Lots of cells. There's some mud. But opals also have muted tones in them. We'll see how this dries. I don't know if you guys can hear that fly buzzing around, but he sounds threatening. My last batch of paintings, I lost 3 of the 5 to gnats who decided to land and go for a swim. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. I did, I always do. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Thank you for liking and sharing and subscribing and all that good stuff. And have a beautiful day, you guys. Go make some art.